I've taught you a lot about small chords with small chords, or sometimes I could say drop twos. This song, Near the Cross, I'm gonna show you how to apply near the drop two or small chords to just Near the Cross. It's a song that everybody knows. In this video, I'm gonna show you some little tips and tricks to use, just to sound great on this thing. First, let me play the song. Very simple. What did I just play? Well, just watch and I'm gonna show you exactly what I just did. I'm in the key of C. I do 1, 2, 3. Look at my hands. It's 10th. I'm playing 10th, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But here I have a C and G. This is a power chord, they call it. See? Alright, let me do it. It's a B minor diminished. Alright, again. This is 6. This is a sus chord. It's like a C right here, and then with D in the other thing. Okay, we'll do it again. This is a deceptive cadence. Like somebody thought I was gonna be done on G, but I just do right here, a flat 7. Okay. It's a B major, B flat major 9. I'm gonna do it again. Okay. Then I have, let me do it again. 2. Let's do it again. I make a change right here. See? Instead of doing this, I do. I use a diminish. Okay, cross. See? Diminish. Here, instead of doing the 5, because the melody note is the 3rd of B flat. Okay, so near the cross. This is one of the songs that you actually can play. I use a lot of drop 2s and very small chords. See? See? All right. So I think you have learned something. I just wanted to play it very. Don't put too many things in it. And of course, you could use it in the key of C sharp. The flat 7. Just learn that in those 2 keys and then move up to the next one. Then you're definitely going to master everything and become a better musician after the wall is broken. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.